Hi, this is Emily with the University of Maryland Extension, and I am back with our tree care series. In the past, I have mentioned girdling roots at the base of trees, and we know now that that can occur if you plant the tree too deeply in the soil or you mulch it too high. It can also happen if you don't loosen the roots at the bottom, especially with container grown trees or shrubs. So this is an example of another one here. We have a flowering cherry, and you can see the girdling roots here forming at the base. These are probably pretty bad. You can see it start to cut into the trunk of the tree. Now this is a problem because it is going to restrict water and nutrients and sap flow in the tree, and eventually it can cause a serious health problem to the tree. These can also cause an economic loss. It could be an emotional loss. Maybe you planted this tree after a loved one or for some sentimental reason, and it could also be a safety issue. It could cause a breaking point at the bottom of the tree. So some signs to look for. Maybe you don't see the stem girdling root, but you notice your tree is having dieback in the top branches. Some of the leaves are dying. They can have early fall color or branches dying back. Those can be signs that there is a girdling root at the base. Maybe it's under the soil or under the mulch. If you have any questions, shoot them to us and we will happily help you out.